Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious fried snapper. So tasty and flavorful. It's going to be so easy. I'm going to show you guys how to prep this. Plenty of the ingredients. Let's check it out. Yeah guys, you can see what I have is 2 snapper telly prep with some lime vinegar. Next up, you're going to go ahead and give them a few cuts. Perfect. Makes it much easier for the seasoning to basically get within the fish itself. Gives it that lovely flavor that you're looking for. So guys, here I have my seasoning for this recipe. Of course, chicken cube seasoning, black pepper, whole bay, and also creamy and green seasoning. I do have a video on my channel how to make that lovely green seasoning. It goes well with any kind of meat that you come to be using. Great taste and flavor. Next step is go ahead and add these to a bowl. So next up guys, you definitely want to go ahead and add your mixed seasoning. Next up you want to go ahead and add your green seasoning. For better taste and result, of course you can always prep this in advance overnight. It's going to taste so much better. So here we are guys, my fish been sitting inside for about 10 minutes. So guys, before we add our fish to the oil, definitely want to go ahead and add 1 cube of garlic. So guys, next step you definitely want to go ahead and create a sauce. Since I already have my fish going. Bell pepper, purple onion, scotch bonnet pepper, cherry tomato, parsley, and also lemon. So guys, for flavor, salt. Of course you do have the option of using any kind of salt that you're comfortable using. Olive oil. Next you want to go ahead and add a bit of lemon juice. Hot garlic, bell pepper, onions, tomato, parsley. Tomato sauce, it's always a pleasure having you watching my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do so before you go. Really appreciate it. Also, you definitely want to go ahead and turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll be the first to notify as soon as I upload a new video.